All right, so this is section 11.5 vocabulary, and we're going to be looking at the volume of prisms and cylinders. And so first of all, we have to know what volume is. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. So if I have a three-dimensional solid, how much can I put inside the solid? That is the volume. Volume of a prism. For volume of a prism, it's the area of the base times the height. So it's capital B because that stands for area of the base times the height between the two bases. So this yellow base is the base of the prism. Oops. Volume of a cylinder. A cylinder is similar to a prism because it has parallel congruent bases. And so this one is the area of the base times the height also. But because it's a cylinder, it's always the same shape, and so it's pi r squared because it's the circle area. And lastly, we're going to talk about similar solids. We've talked about similar figures before when it's the same shape, different sides. Similar solids is the same idea. It's solids with the same shape and corresponding dimensions are proportional. And so it's a small one and a big one, but all the dimensions are proportional. So A is proportional to B for each of those.